hardest things for me to do is to decide how I'm going to wear my hair. That's my biggest dilemma. That's my biggest dilemma when it comes to my natural hair. It's not my natural hair. It's not the detangling. It's not getting it shampooed and cleansed. I don't take a long time on my wash day. It's just deciding what the style is going to be. I've decided that I'm going to wear this style for about 2 to 3 days. And then I'll have to make another decision on how to wear my hair. If you have watched this introduction, just stay tuned and see how I accomplish this look. And also, take the time to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when my videos are uploaded. So yeah, keep looking. Keep watching. Thank you. Good morning. I'm standing here in this mirror trying to figure out what to do with my hair so that I won't touch it for another 2 or 3 days. But then also I want to know what can I do with my hair and not have to spend an hour styling it to not touch it for the next 2 or 3 days. So I think I'm going to do a flat twist style. Some may call it an updo. I'm going to spray some water on my hair. It's not really that dry, but since I won't be touching it for the next 2 or 3 days, spraying water all in my face, then I want to at least make sure that it's moisturized. All of that's a bit damp. Great. Pretty good. I have some Miele organic pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I got a sample size, and I'm just going to use a little bit of that. And when I say a little, I mean a little. I want to see what it's going to do. Feels good. This is the first time I've ever put this in my hair. Then I'm going to use some Kyra Shea Medley Strength and Emollient Buttercream on my hair. I have some curling custard and have some curl smoothie. I don't know which one I should use, but on my edges, I think I'm going to use the curl smoothie right now. And then I'm going to begin to flat twist. That was a bit of a workout, I want you to know. Just tucking the end underneath, trying to shape this as well. I like to have a little bit of height in the top of my hair, and that's why I'm doing this. I do believe that this is how I'm going to be wearing my hair for a couple of days. Looks like a little bit of my hair is like sticking up in the top right there, and I want that a little bit smooth, so I'm just going to use a bobby pin, tuck it under, hold it down. I'm going to take a look in my mirror, make sure I look in the right side of my mirror, that you see what the back looks like. Yeah, this is how my hair is going to be. I'm going to take a little bit of the Eco Styler gel and smooth it on back a little bit. You will go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Show me some support. Give me some likes. Tell me how you would have done this hair differently, or if you would. Also, just comment to tell me if you think this is a good style and it fits. Thank you.